It's National Dog Month, plus we have great resource here at the library, Parent TV, and a book recommendation, because we're librarians, and that's awesome. Coming up next. Well, hello there, and welcome to another episode of the Middle Country Public Library podcast. I'm Sal DiVincenzo, here in the studio with my fabulous colleagues, Sarah Fade.
Hello.
Caroline Diaz.
Hi.
How's everybody doing this week?
Great.
Awesome. So we're going to jump right in, and we're going to start with Sarah because it's something near and dear to your heart, Sarah. It is National Dog Month.
Also, yes.
So...
Yes, okay. Well, on that note, I have many a dog.
How many dogs do you have, Sarah? Tell everybody.
Well, not like it's any of your business, but I have 5. Don't judge me.
No, it's not judging. It's just that it's a wonderful thing that you do. You foster dogs.
I foster dogs
Yes.
for a few rescues.
That's very nice.
I always tend to get the ones that come back. So I always have naughty dogs. I end up keeping the ones that are a little naughty, and they get returned.
That's nice. And you have helped some of the staff here find their forever homes for their animals.
Yes, I like to play doggy
Cats
matchmaker.
and cats and dogs.
Cats and dogs, yeah.
It's very nice. Well, we appreciate that.
Yeah. So I do feel like it's not a real National Dog Month. And do you know why?
Because you made it up.
Well, every month is National Dog Month for me. Yeah. No, well, I didn't make it up, but Milk-Bone made it up.
Oh, and they're selling
corporate
things.
sponsored.
They want to sell more
Yeah.
milk bones this month.
But it stuck. It started in 2020 by Milk-Bone,
Yeah.
and it has become a thing where August is now National.
Okay. It's good.
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
know.
We should, appreciate our furry animals, furry friends.
yeah.
All right.
Okay. So anyway. You can bring that up when someone says, "Oh, it's National Dog Month," and be like, "Well, Milk-Bone month."
Yeah, milk bone month.
Okay, so did you know dogs were domesticated more than 14,000 years ago?
Wow.
Well, I think they were used more for herding
And hunting. Yeah.
other than couch potato dogs that we have now.
Exactly.
Yeah.
The ones that have anxiety.
Yeah, exactly. That like separation anxiety.
Yeah. Isn't there a meme of like a dog 1,000 years ago, and a dog
Yes,
all
yes.
muscular? It's like a dog now. It's a little dog like this.
Yeah.
My favorite addition to that, because I'm a cat person, is it's cats 1,000,000 years ago, and it's them as gods, and it's cats today. They're still gods.
That's
true.
about right. That's about
It's
right.
true. It's true.
Dog's sense of smell is 10,000 to 100,000 times more sensitive than ours.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
I feel bad for dogs then.
I know, right?
Yeah.
That's really.
Yeah, I get overwhelmed, so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No wonder they're kind of nuts. The Basenji, that's a type of dog.
Okay.
That dog doesn't bark, it yodels.
Really?
This will be annoying.
How pleasant to hear that at 2 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, like huskies, yeah.
Someone does the ring doorbell and goes, "Da-na-na." It's like, yodi, 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 yodi.
Sound of music.
Yeah. It's like Frozen. Okay.
Yeah.
The Labrador Retriever has been America's most popular dog for over 30 years.
Yeah.
Can't beat a
Yeah.
lab.
Lab is nice. Yeah.
Okay. And did you know this, Caroline? That dogs can understand up to 250 words and gestures, that they are essentially smarter than a toddler.
Wow.
That's pretty neat. My dogs didn't understand any of what I was saying. I think they
Just
purposefully
ignored you. Yeah.
me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so how do we celebrate National Dog Month besides going and getting a dog if you don't have one?
That's right.
Yeah. You can take a new walking route or visit a dog-friendly trail.
Okay.
There's plenty. Selden has a Selden Dog Park.
Yes.
Have a doggy play date.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It must be nice. It's you got to be careful though.
Yeah, you do have to be careful.
Yeah.
Fun fact. Not a fun fact, because I told you all my dogs are kind of like misfits. I went away on vacation, and then I went to a PetSmart, because they have doggy daycare and doggy day camp.
Nice.
And I had 2 dogs, and I'm like, okay, they can go and play, and they get along with other dogs. I'm like, yeah, they like to play. And my one dog got booted out of doggy day camp.
Oh my goodness.
Cause she's little. She's not a big dog.
Yeah.
She was just
She's too bossy.
too bossy. I was like, yeah, that tracks. So that is important that we socialize. Oh, bake homemade dog treats.
Cute.
Okay.
We do have. I know in children's they have to have
Yes.
doggy treat cookbooks.
Yes.
Okay. Create a DIY dog toy. Plenty to do.
Okay. Yeah. All right.
Yeah. Schedule a vet checkup or groomings. Pamper them.
Yes. Yes.
Host a pup party, a photo shoot. We do have photo shoots at the library. People, it's once a year, usually in July.
I brought my cat once.
Yeah.
Yes, it's for every pet, not just dogs.
Not just dogs.
Yeah. Or you can volunteer or donate to a local animal shelter.
Nice.
Yeah. So if in case you don't want to do any of those things, you're like, no, I want to show my love for dogs in another way. You can check out these books because of Winn-Dixie by Kate DeCamillo.
Yes.
The Art of Racing in the Rain by Garth Stein. A Dog's Purpose by W. Bruce Cameron is very popular. And Dog Man.
Love Dog Man. I'm a big Dog Man fan.
Yeah.
Read that one. Read all of them. And then read Captain Underpants. And then read Cat Kid.
Some movies you can watch: Homeward Bound, Lady and the Tramp, The Isle of Dogs, which I don't know about that one. But
What's the movie that you say no? Don't watch that dog movie.
Oh, Marley and Me?
No. It's even worse.
it's even worse. It's
Fox and Hound?
No.
Oh, that one was cute though. That does make me cry.
What's the one?
Hachi.
Hachi.
Hachi, a dog sale.
Yeah.
It is heartbreaking.
Yeah.
I feel like they need a warning.
They do. And Richard Gere is in it. And it's about this dog. It's sort of like an American version. It's based on this Japanese dog that was so loyal to his master.
I read a book about that.
Yeah.
And he waited at the train station every
Yes.
day.
Yes. And it's heartbreaking. I was sobbing. And I don't cry usually. I mean, I do cry, but not like that. Sobbing. I was alone in the dark in my room sobbing. It was sad.
Sad.
Oh.
Don't watch that one.
Unless you want to cry.
Yeah, no, I don't remember why it came across my desk, but I had the genre. I think it was for fiction, and I think I read like a couple pages to see, and I was literally crying, like reading the book. Like it's so,
It was
so loyal.
And then he the dog is. It's not a spoiler. The dog dies, but then he sees Richard Gere walking towards him, and he's finally happy. But Richard Gere's been dead, and he's like, "Oh my god!"
And they has a statue, and I think it's like, isn't it like his head is worn off from everyone petting the statue or something sweet like that?
Yeah. Yep. Yeah. If you're in Japan, check it out.
All right. So dog safety and health tips. You don't want to, especially now because it's been so hot.
Yeah.
Avoid overheating and the hot pavement.
Yes.
Yeah. You wear shoes, but your dog does not.
That's true.
Yes, I don't like that. I mean, it's good to walk your dog, but when I see people walking their dogs 2 p.m. on a day that's 98 degrees.
Put your hand on the street and feel it. And if it's even, if you even feel just like a little sensation of warmth, that's more, because their paws are very sensitive. They're not like our hands. Yeah.
Yeah. So if you can't walk barefoot, your dog cannot.
Yes.
Always have fresh water.
Yes.
If you leave your dog out, you shouldn't do that either because I think that's illegal now in Suffolk County. Watch out for ticks and fleas.
Oh, especially
they're bad.
Yeah.
Ticks are really bad.
Yeah.
They're bad, yeah.
I saw I don't know if it's real or not, but it was somebody was using a TikTok filter that reversed the lighting on it. No, but they used it to find ticks on dogs. Oh. It was like they used it on their golden retriever, and I guess because it was little black spots. Oh, so they used a phone filter to find ticks.
That's interesting. That's possible. Yeah.
Also,
I know.
That's the worst. When you find a tick on a dog, that is the worst.
Well, the problem with that is they can just freeloaders those ticks, and they can come into your house and get on you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Not to mention your dog, but
yeah.
Okay, so and also keep up with your visits, vaccinations, and medications.
Important.
So what can you do for this month and every month is you can do one thing special for a dog. Yours, or your neighbors.
Yes.
Or family, friend. Maybe buy them a little bit of a treat or a toy.
Maybe drop some food
milk bone.
in front of them.
Yeah, I didn't want to say milk, but sponsored by Milk Bone. Or you can go to Petco or wherever there's an adoption event and donate a little something.
There you go.
Even if you're like, oh, it's only $1, but if everyone just donated $1, what I like to do is when I go to fairs or festivals, I have $10 in singles, and those people, they get so happy when you just donate $1 to their little thing.
Yeah, that's sweet.
Yeah, and it's only $10 anyway, or $5 or whatever you want to do, but $1 each would make a big difference. And that's it. So
I said if you're a teen, you could join the Mutt Club, right?
yes, and you can join the Mutt Club here at the library. Oh, in August also, just so you know, we do have a Tales and Trails program. It's a walk. You learn a little quick dog training tip, and then you go on a little walk around the trail. It's in East Setauket. It's that loop near the post office. You know that? It's near Emma Clark Library, which is a beautiful library also.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so that would be fun. And that is going to be Saturday, August 16th at 10 a.m. It's only for an hour. And if you just want to socialize, hang out, bring your dog, get a little playtime, you can do that.
Nice.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
Very good. Thank you, Sarah, for Dog Month. Do all those wonderful things, right?
Yes. Wonderful things.
Caroline.
Yes.
What do you have for us this week?
All right. So I wanted to talk about my favorite resource, which is Parent TV. It's semi-new. We just got it last year, and it's thousands of on-demand parenting videos that are designed to support those who care for children from pregnancy throughout teenage years. Parent TV works with leading psychologists, pediatricians, mental health specialists, nutritionists, occupational therapists, and parenting educators across the globe. So it's not just in the U.S. All of the videos are under 10 minutes, and they can be viewed on your computer, tablet, and smartphone.
Nice.
So I love this because I maintain the Parents Collection at the library, and I think this is just such a great addition to have because so many times if you are looking for information about something specific, your first thought is not to take out an encyclopedia about it or even just like a large parenting collection book and read it for 8 hours.
Yeah.
And usually you kind of go to the internet first. And so this is a way to have a credited source that's kind of quick and easy. And so all you need, it's on our website. You just sign in with your library card. And it's really wonderful. And it's also offered in a whole ton of different languages too.
Oh, nice.
So
Nice.
yeah, I love it. I've used it. I don't have kids, but it's great just for any information, even if you're, say, a children's librarian or looking to do some programming, stuff like that.
Cool.
Nice.
All right. And you mentioned something about you had a book that you were reading.
Of course.
You wanted to let everybody know on the
Yes,
podcast.
I'm trying to get everyone that I've ever met to read the Hunger Games series, so I have constant. I can talk about it to everyone I know.
Okay.
So if you aren't reading the Hunger Games series, or maybe you read it, say even last year or 10 years ago, you should all reread it right now and get up to date because they were the 2 prequels that came out. Sunrise on the Reaping just came out in March.
Okay.
And so I listened to it and now I'm rereading it now just because why not? And it's really great. It gives a lot of context to things that are in the original trilogy because it's the Hunger Games through Haymitch's perspective.
Oh,
so,
interesting.
Yep, in the past, with the original trilogy, you only get Katniss, and she's not flawed, but it's only through her perspective.
Yes, yeah.
And so you learn about the games through someone else through a completely different lens. And so I think it's so cool. The movie is coming out for it. I think, I can't even remember when it's coming out, but they're releasing the cast list right now.
Oh, I was going to say, who do you think should play young Haymitch?
Oh my gosh, I forget the actor's name, but he is perfect. I loved the joke going on that it was going to be, is it Woody Harrelson?
Yeah.
Him wearing a backwards hat with a lollipop because it's like him when he's 16. And when I was listening to the audiobook, unfortunately, sometimes I was trying to shake that image out of my head,
but
and
you
it was
kinda-
just him with a skateboard.
Yeah. Hey, kids.
Yeah, hey kids, I'm 16. Someone was like, oh, just have them wear a shirt. But they, now that they've released a lot of the cast, I agree with that. So now I'm able to plug those characters in when I'm reading it, which is great. And they have a really stacked cast too. So I think it's going to be
Nice.
really good, hopefully.
Cool.
But I have trust in them. So have you guys read The Hunger Games?
I did.
The 3, was it 3 books?
Yeah.
right?
Okay,
3
great.
books,
So you
yeah.
guys should reread them.
Okay.
Okay.
And then we could talk about it. We could have a whole podcast just on The Hunger Games.
Okay. So this one is about Haymitch
Yes,
when he was a youngin'.
Yes, it's when he is in the Quarter Quell. So it's the 50th Hunger Games. And if
Okay.
you remember, it's when there's double the amount of tributes.
Okay.
I don't remember, but okay.
So that's the first prequel, or is
It's
that
the second. So
second?
the
What was
first,
the first
prequel,
prequel?
Yeah.
was it's President Snow as a teenager.
Okay.
And it kind of sets up how the games are today. And it follows the first winner from District 12, Lucy Gray.
Okay. Interesting.
You would think that if you were in it, you would not want to continue it as a president. You would say, stop.
Yeah,
This
no,
is
well,
terrible.
it kind of, he starts off as being not so evil and he becomes evil. Because he's not in the games. He's like almost like, not a tribute, but he's mentoring one of the people who are in the games.
Interesting.
And it kind of, you hear his inner dialogue and like how he's kind of becoming to how he
Emperor
is at the end.
Palpatine
Yes,
status?
very evil.
There you go. All right. We always like to know how our villains are made.
Origin stories.
Yeah, he's sassy too. I was laughing.
Cool. Very good. Well, thank you so much, Caroline, for that reader's advisory.
Yes.
Which is something we do here at the library.
Demand.
Which is, demand. You must read it.
I'll read it now. Because, I read it such a long time ago. And then I was like, is it going to be as good? Because I did enjoy them.
Yeah.
No, it's good.
And then you always worry, will it be as good as I remember?
Yeah.
I have to say it's better. Yes. Well, I read it when I was, I think, the same age as Katniss. And so when you're that like age, I viewed myself as like knowing all. I know. I'm sorry.
Easy.
But you're kind of, now when I'm reading the book, I realize how much she's a child in it. And like all of the characters, I kind of was like, oh no, when you're 16, you're an adult. And blah, blah, blah. And now reading it back, I was like, oh my gosh, she's like truly a child and like kind of a victim to not just the Hunger Games, but like her being like the Mockingjay too.
Yeah.
Because like she never really wanted to do that either.
No, exactly. Yeah.
No.
And Sunrise
She's
on the
one-
Reaping gives more context to that too.
Oh, nice. Yes. And
ties
you have to read
together.
it.
Yes, and
Yes.
it's a demand.
There you go.
That's your homework assignment for
There
this
you go.
week.
Yes.
Listener challenge.
Yes. And comment below if you've read any of the Hunger Games and you want to make comments about it.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, we could do that. We can do like a Hunger Games thing.
Yeah, I'll read it.
I can trust that.
Do you need to read the first prequel to read the second prequel?
No.
Okay.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah, I mean, like maybe I would say no, but like also like read them all.
Yes, you must read them all again.
Yeah, no, you'll understand what's going on. I think you should definitely read the original trilogy before reading the
Prequels again? Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah. All right. Cool. Yeah, because you want to like you have to understand like all these terminologies. And
Yeah, the quarter quell
the
or
reaping,
whatever.
the
Yes,
quarter quell.
yes.
Yes.
And then they're like, oh, I know him. He was in the trilogy.
Very good. Well, thank you very much. And thank you all for joining us for another episode of the Middle Country Public Library podcast. If you want to listen to older episodes or read our show notes, you can visit our website, mcplpodcast.com. And hey, if you have a question or a comment or a suggestion or an idea for a show, you should email us, podcast@mcplibrary.org. Watching on YouTube, hit the like button, hit subscribe, and hit notifications. We greatly appreciate that. That does help this channel, and we got a lot of great stuff coming up in the near future. So thank you for joining us once again. For Sarah Fade and Caroline Diaz, I'm Sal DiVincenzo. See you on the next show.